Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study long notes. First, divide your extensive notes into smaller, digestible sections. This makes the material less overwhelming and easier to process. After each segment, actively test yourself by recalling information without looking at your notes. Then, summarize the main ideas in your own words. This process helps solidify your understanding and improves retention significantly. Effective organization is key when dealing with lengthy notes. Start by creating an outline or a mind map to visually connect different concepts and topics. When highlighting, be selective. Only mark the most crucial information, perhaps 10% to 15% of the text. Additionally, use different colors or symbols to categorize information, making it easier to locate and review specific details later on. This visual structure aids comprehension. To truly boost your retention, try explaining complex concepts aloud as if you're teaching someone. This forces you to articulate your thoughts clearly and identify gaps in your knowledge. Even better, actually teach the material to a friend or family member. It's one of the most effective ways to learn. Also, commit to reviewing your notes regularly, even for just 20 minutes each day, to keep the information fresh. Finally, consistent practice is paramount. Actively engage with the material by working through past questions or creating your own quizzes to test your knowledge. Remember to take short, frequent breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain optimal focus. And speaking of comfort, check the description for a link to some fantastic durable socks and other great deals. Staying comfortable helps you concentrate better during long study sessions, making your efforts more productive and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.